Hey there! Thank you for watching my new video. I've got a new pattern for you and it's this one. It's a trellis pillars pattern and it looks like a trellis where your plants will be climbing up. So this is the front and this is the back. You can see the nice ridges over here and the pillars over here. So this is what I want to show you. So I'm grabbing my yarn and I've got a 5mm hook. So first let's make a slip knot. And for this pattern you need a multiple of 8 plus 5. So your foundation chain is multiple of 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna make this 3 times 8. So when you're done multiplying by 8, then add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for row 1, skip the first 3 chains and in the next one make a double crochet. And the 3 you're skipping counts as a double crochet. In the next one, make a double crochet. Now skip 2 stitches and in the next one I'm going to make 2 double crochets, all in just 1 stitch. So 1 and 2. Now chain 1 and in that same stitch make 2 more double crochets. So 1 and 2. What I'm going to show you next is what you need to repeat for the rest of your row. So skip 1, 2 chains, and in the next one make a double crochet, and also in the next 2 stitches make 1 double crochet. So you will be having 3 double crochets next to each other, as you can see here. 1, 2, 3, all just 1 double crochet in 1 stitch. Now skip 2 stitches, in the next one make 2 double crochets. So 1 and 2, chain 1, and in that same stitch make 2 more double crochets. Now skip 2 stitches, in the next 3 stitches make 1 double crochet. Now skip 2 stitches and the next one make 2 double crochets. Chain 1 and in that same stitch make 2 double crochets. Now I'm having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches left. So skip 2 stitches, in the last 3 stitches make 1 double crochet. So you started with 3 double crochets and the chain 3 counted as a double crochet, so 1, 2, 3. So you're ending your row with 3 double crochets too. So now for row 2, chain 3, turn your work, and this chain 3 counts as a double crochet on top of that first stitch. So around the next double crochet we're going to make a front post double crochet. So yarn over, put your hook from the front to the back around that double crochet and up to the front. Then grab your yarn and pull it up. Now just continue making your double crochet as usual. So around that next double crochet we're going to make a front post double crochet. So yarn over, from the front around that double crochet, going to the back and up to the front again. Grab your yarn, pull it around the double crochet and just finish your double crochet as you would normally do. So now we have the 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochet over here. So in the chain 1 space we're going to make 2 double crochets. So 1 and 2. Now we're going to chain 1 and in the same space make 2 more double crochets. Now skip the 2 double crochets over here that are part of the 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, and go over to the next 3 double crochets. And this is what you're going to repeat until you are at the last chain 1 space. So around every double crochet with the 3 double crochets next to each other, we're going to make a front post double crochet. So there will be 3 front post double crochets next to each other. And now let's go over to the chain 1 space over here and make 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets, again in a chain 1 space. Now let's go over to the next 3 double crochets that are next to each other. So the 2 double crochets that are part of the 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets you are skipping, and just go over to the 3 double crochets next to each other and make a front post double crochet around every double crochet. So there will be 3 front post double crochets next to each other. And go over to the next chain 1 space and make 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets in there. And I'm at the end now. So you see the 2 double crochets in the chain 3 over here. So in that first double crochet we're going to make a front post double crochet. And into the next double crochet we're going to make a front post double crochet. And now we're going to make a normal double crochet in the 3rd chain. So 1, 2, 3. In the 3rd chain we're going to make a normal double crochet. So you did that at the beginning. The chain 3 counted as a double crochet on top of the first stitch, and then you made 2 front post double crochets. So you're ending it like that too. So this is the row you need to repeat, row 2. So I'm going to show you one more time. Chain 3, turn your work. You can see that here is the front post double crochet on top of your work, and if you turn your work you can see it looks like a back post double crochet. But the ridges are coming up like this on your work, so that is correct. So this chain 3 counted as a double crochet on top of the first stitch, and around that next double crochet we're going to make a front post double crochet, and around that next double crochet we're going to make a front post double crochet. So you're going to alternate the ridges with every row, so you can see later that the ridges are coming on top of here. So that's the meaning of this pattern. So in the chain 1 space make 2 double crochets, chain 1 and again 2 double crochets. Now repeat this for the rest of this row until you are at the end. Around every double crochet with the 3 double crochets next to each other, make 1 front post double crochet. So I like to put my double crochet a little bit out with my fingers, so I can put my hook around that stitch better. Okay, so for the chain 1 space make 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 more double crochets. So this is just repeating. So the next 3 double crochets that are standing next to each other, so these 2 you're going to skip because they are part of your 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, and then the 3 double crochets next to each other, make 1 front post double crochet around those double crochets. And then again we are at the chain 1 space, make 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 more double crochets in the chain 1 space. And now we have, well, for me I have 3 double crochets left, so 2 normal double crochets and a chain 3 that counted as a double crochet. So in that first double crochet we're going to make a front post double crochet. In that next double crochet we're going to make a front post double crochet, and now in the third chain, so 1, 2, 3, we're going to make 1 normal double crochet, so the edges will be nice and straight. And then you can see here is the nice ridge over here, and if you're going to turn your work you can see the ridge is 1 row up. And if you're going to continue this for more rows you can see the nice pattern that's coming. So you can see the nice bars over here and the trellis pillars part. So this is what I wanted to show you. I hope you liked it. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put on the notifications and to get a message when I upload a new video. And for now I just wish you happy crocheting and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.